I've had this little Echo probably about 5 months, and I just use it to cut and block small stuff. And it wouldn't start the other day, so I figured it was the compression. And when I poured some gasoline down into the crankcase and dumped it out, along comes some of these little gray particles of the gasket maker. So I'm just going to scrape all this off and reseal it, and it should be a pretty good saw for a while longer. Everything looks good. The piston looks good. It's got a little carbon on there. Got a little hot, I guess. But I'll just knock that off. And the inside of the crankcase looks real good. No scratches or anything. But other than that, it's, you know, it's a pretty nice little saw. I have a Timberwolf that I use for doing my milling, or used to do for my milling. Now I've got a sawmill. So, but it was a really good saw. It lasted a long time. So, anyway, thanks for watching.